So this is a quick breakdown in GBP JPY. Super excited about this pair. So in the previous videos, I broke down GBP JPY. We're saying, okay, based on this weekly low high to this low, we're seeing price was respecting the 61.8. Then I said, okay, we need price was showing strong bullish momentum towards the upside, and I was targeting like areas around this point of control here. So we finally broke out, and there's some things I'm gonna show you. So from the daily perspective, we've seen let me show you clearly here. So from daily perspective, we've seen price creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. We were in this consolidation here, then we broke out last Friday. So we're still in an upward trend, and also we broke this previous uh high. So that's key. We're still in an upward territory. So we're seeing, okay, structure is still being maintained to the upside. We see high high low, high low, then price went to the upside. So this coming week is gonna be super interesting. Like when you look at the Cot Data, the commitment of trader data, it shows a lot of institutions are selling the pound and they're buying heavily the Japanese yen. So, and there's a slight difference between how much contracts they're buying for the yen. So you gotta be careful. We could see a very we could see GBP JPY consolidating here for a while before going for continuation to the upside. So this is how we're gonna be playing it this week. So we were in this consolidation for a while. We broke through to the upside, but when you look at this, we had this weak area here. We had this engulfing candle. We had this big move to the upside. We see price came and test this resistance and support 1 2. So indecisive candle in the daily, but still we're seeing EMA is pointing to the upside. When you look at the 4 time frame, we see, okay, price went to the upside. Now it's testing this area, which is previously was resistance, now acting as support. But okay, so one thing, I'm gonna pull my fibs from this low to this high. And the thing that I'm gonna see on Monday, I wanna see on Monday price do, is at least phew, at least this is gonna be strange, but this is what I want to see price do. So we have this liquidity level around here, and I'll be looking for short opportunities. I know you guys won't expect that, weren't expecting that short opportunities, but I'll explain why. So we had this big breakout to the upside. We see this big breakout to the upside, but there's one area which is around here. So this is a very very strong reversal candlestick pattern. So we had this also, this is a point of control. Normally I say like we had this accumulation phase before this big move to the upside, and also we see this massive meltdown in GBP JPY. And what happened when we had this meltdown? You see rejection price, the candlestick closed below this week's area, then retested, and we had this meltdown with EMA crossover. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting the Japanese yen to do something like this on Monday. Then I'll be looking overall targets around there. And the reason is because when you pull up your fibs from this low to this high, let's say this is a new high, at least we need price to retest the 61.8, which is the golden Fibonacci. And not only did I say 61, it's because we have a lot of accumulation levels here, which is liquidity levels, right? So that's why I'm saying at least short opportunities, because it's also aligned with the Cot Data. So we're very very good short setup. I'll be looking around there. Stop loss targets way there. So this is almost like 1:2. Very good setup. That's my. I'll be look. You could also like key levels. You got. I'm looking at is around here, around this week's area. I'll be looking for short opportunities. At least price come and testing the trend line before continuation to the upside. I'm super bullish in GBP JPY, but I gotta be adaptive. Like I could see price come and test this liquidity level, pull back a little bit, consolidate for a while before continuation to the upside. Because we had a big move to the upside on last week, we can't just continue going up. We need to see at least slight retracement. So that's my expectation for this week for JPY. Short opportunities, yeah. So I hope you guys love this, and let's see how it's gonna play out. If anything happens, I'll keep you updated. Thank you.